Introduction. The history of the United States is marked by visionary leaders who shaped the nation's trajectory. While their political achievements are well documented, many U.S. presidents also had a surprising affinity for mathematics, whether in the form of mathematical contributions or the application of mathematical principles to governance. These leaders demonstrate how intellectual curiosity in various fields can influence national leadership. This article explores the hidden mathematical minds behind the Oval Office and how their engagement with numbers helped shape their presidencies. Presidents with mathematical achievements. James Garfield, 1881. James Garfield, the 20th president, was not only a skilled politician, but also an accomplished mathematician. Before entering politics, he taught mathematics and even devised a novel proof of the Pythagorean theorem. His proof, which utilized a trapezoid-based approach, was groundbreaking in its simplicity and clarity. Garfield's contribution to mathematics is a rare example of a sitting president advancing mathematical theory and applying his mathematical thinking to governance. Thomas Jefferson, 1801-1809. Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, was known for his vast intellectual pursuits, including his deep knowledge of mathematics. He applied his skills in surveying, architecture, and boundary demarcation, most famously in the design of his Monticello estate. Jefferson's mathematical background influenced his vision for America's growth and scientific development, promoting education in both technical fields and the arts. Herbert Hoover, 1929 to 1933. Before becoming the 31st president, Herbert Hoover studied geology at Stanford University, a field that requires a strong foundation in mathematics. His work as a mining engineer involved statistical analysis and data interpretation, skills that would later inform his leadership during the Great Depression. Hoover's scientific and technical training shaped his pragmatic approach to problem-solving in the White House. Presidents who faced challenges with mathematics. Ulysses S. Grant, 1869 to 1877. While Ulysses S. Grant was an exemplary military leader, he reportedly struggled with mathematics during his time at West Point. This reminder that even the most accomplished individuals face personal challenges highlights the human side of presidential figures, illustrating that mathematical proficiency isn't always a prerequisite for greatness in leadership. The role of mathematics in governance. George Washington, 1789 to 1797. As the first president of the United States, George Washington utilized his knowledge of geometry and surveying to navigate military strategy during the Revolutionary War and help define the nation's borders. His understanding of mathematical principles proved essential in early American governance, contributing to the success of the U.S. military and the nation's territorial expansion. Franklin D. Roosevelt, 1933 to 1945. During the Great Depression, President Franklin D. Roosevelt relied heavily on statistical analysis to implement his New Deal programs. Economic models and data were central to shaping policies aimed at national recovery, showcasing the power of mathematics in steering a nation through one of its most challenging economic periods. Mathematics in modern leadership. In today's world, mathematical models are essential for shaping policy decisions, from economic forecasting to healthcare reform. Modern presidents use data analysis and mathematical reasoning to tackle complex issues, including climate change, healthcare, and global economic challenges. Mathematical mistakes in public speech. Even presidents who excelled in other fields occasionally made mathematical missteps in public speeches. For example, President Barack Obama once mistakenly referred to 57 states, a slip that sparked both humor and criticism. These moments serve as a reminder that even the most articulate leaders can stumble when handling complex numerical information in public. Conclusion. The influence of mathematics on the U.S. presidency is both profound and diverse, whether through direct contributions to mathematical theory, the application of math in governance, or the practical use of statistics in policy-making. Mathematics has shaped the leadership of the United States in unexpected ways. The intellectual curiosity and mathematical thinking of past presidents have not only enriched their leadership, but have also contributed to shaping the nation's future. Today, as the world becomes more data-driven, the importance of mathematics in leadership remains as crucial as ever.